Students, in this video I'm discussing about general classification of fluid machines. Okay, so there are three types. First one is a turbo machine, second one is a positive displacement machine, and third one is miscellaneous. Okay, so first one, in the turbo machine there are two types. Okay, the fluid energy to mechanical energy, and the second one is mechanical energy to fluid energy. Okay, so here in case of fluid energy to mechanical energy, there are three types. Okay, that is turbines. First one is a steam turbine, second one is a gas turbine, third one is a water turbine. Okay, in case of mechanical energy to fluid energy, there are four types. First one is pump, second one is fans, third one is compressors, and the fourth one is blowers. Okay, so here four types. And in case of turbines, there are four types of turbines. Okay, first one is a tangential turbine, second one is axial flow turbine, third one is radial flow, and the fourth one is mixed flow. Okay, so in case of tangential flow turbine, for example for this is Pelton wheel turbine. Okay, and for axial flow, Kaplan turbine is a example. Okay, in radial flow, Francis turbine is a example. For a mixed flow, modern Francis turbine is a example. Okay, so next coming to positive displacement machines, there are three types. First one is the pumps, second one is the motors, third one is jacks. Okay, in case of pumps there are two types. First one is rotary pumps and second one is reciprocating pumps. Okay, so in case of motors there are three types. First one is gears, pistons, and vanes. Okay, so coming to rotary pumps, there are four types. First one is a gear pump, screw pump, vane pump, and low pump. Sorry, not pumps, there is a yeah, pumps only. Okay, four types of rotary pumps. First one is gear pump, second one is screw pump, third one is a vane pump, and fourth one is low pump. In case of reciprocating pumps, first one is diaphragm type and second one is reciprocating type pumps. Okay, so and the last one is miscellaneous. Here hydraulic brakes and jet pumps, airlift pumps, and thermosyphon pumps, air brakes, and hydraulic ram. Okay, these are the miscellaneous. Okay, this is about the general classification of fluid machines. Okay, so now coming to comparison between positive displacement pump and turbo machines. Okay, so here we have to compare according to the action and operation and mechanical features and efficiency of a conversion process and the volumetric efficiency and the fluid phase change. Okay, so comparison between the fluid flow and the comparison between the positive displacement pump and positive displacement machines and the turbo machine. Okay, so in turbo machine, the first one is it creates a thermodynamic and dynamic action between rotating element and flowing fluid. Okay, the energy transfer takes place if pressure and momentum changes. Okay, where in positive displacement machines it creates a thermodynamic and mechanical action between moving member and static fluid. The energy transfer takes place with displacement of fluid. Okay, so second difference in case of turbo machine. Okay, it involves a steady flow of a fluid and rotating motion of the mechanical element. Okay, in case of positive displacement machines, it involves a unsteady flow of a fluid and reciprocating motion. Okay, third difference in case of turbo machine, they operate at a high rotational speed. In case of positive displacement machines, they operate at low speed. Okay, fourth one, change of phase during the fluid flow causes a serious problems in turbo machines. Change of phase during the fluid flow causes the less problems in positive displacement machines. Okay, efficiency is usually less in case of turbo machines, and efficiency is higher in case of positive displacement machines. It is a simple design in case of turbo machines, and it is a complicated design. Uh, comes under positive displacement. Okay, so due to the in case of turbo machine, due to the rotary motion, vibration problems are less. Okay, in case of positive displacement machines, due to the reciprocating motion, vibration problems are more. Okay, so finally example for the turbo machines: hydraulic turbines and gas turbines and steam turbines, etc. In case of positive displacement pump, IC engines, reciprocating air compressors, pumps are the example for positive displacement machines. Okay, these are the differences between turbo machines and positive displacement machines. Okay, thank you.